I forget, I would like to express my thanks and gratitude, first of all, to my assistant provincial administrator, Mr. Bobon Daliaga. Our staff in the office of the provincial administrator who have been attending to you this evening. Palakpakan na natin sila. The members and employees of the GIS, the provincial GIS, that's the Geographical Information System. Amoy na sila, nag-install silang sila nag-install silang mga high-tech na nila. And of course, the most important thing also, I might forget, ang atong Department of Tourism na amo ang naghatag sa atong sanctuary na pagkatapos nila mga pangyayari i-continue nila. In the meantime, I would like to call on again Mr. Archangeles to give another number. Atong saxophone ba lang so that again you can reminisce the past. He will be giving us probably an oldies.